You want to know how you can make $3 over and over with no upfront investment and with no skills. And when I say $3 per minute, you can get that $3 per minute if you do it right. So it's not easy, it's a little bit hard, okay, but you can make that money even if you don't have any experience in any set of skills. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this and some steps on how you can improve your rating and improve your income and improve your payment rate. Okay, so maybe you love this as a side hustle, maybe you want this as a part-time job, or maybe you want to quit your job to start doing this full-time. Okay, so stick with me and watch the whole video so you understand what I'm talking about.
So don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell like that to stay informed whenever I put a new video. But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9-to-5 job, to do whatever you want whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box.
So in this video we are going to talk about a website that is called Rev. So what is Rev? Rev actually is a company out there that gives you the possibility or the ability to transcribe or to make captions, video captions, or to translate. And when you do that, you get paid. It depends on the rate for each one of those services. So for example, in transcription, 1 minute per minute, $1 per minute. It doesn't mean that you're gonna get paid $1 per minute, but this is actually for customers that are willing to transcribe something. They will have to pay $1 per minute. So those are the services that are out there in this company, guys, and that means that you can do the exact same thing. You can transcribe, you can make video caption, you can make subtitles and gain money from this. So this is a well-known company and it's been mentioned in Viacom, the New York Times, OCBS and Disney and other companies, and it has some good reputation. So why actually Rev? That's because Rev it has some good payment rate. Okay, it has some high payment rate in comparison with the other companies out there, and it is guaranteed top quality. Okay, and it is secure and it's a good company and they will pay you in time. So this is actually the website. But if you want to make money, let's go directly to here. Click on become a freelancer. Okay, once you click on freelancer, you will be directed to this web page, freelancing jobs, work from home with Rev. So why Rev? Because you can create a flexible work schedule, which means that you can work whenever you want and wherever you want. Okay, so you get to choose your own schedule. You work whenever you want and you do whatever you want, and you'll get paid even if you work like 15 minutes. Okay, the second thing is you choose from hundreds of jobs, because like you see in here, enjoy selecting from a variety of projects that actually interest you. Our vast network of customers means a steady stream of freelancer jobs to choose from. Okay, that means sometimes you will get a job. Okay, maybe you don't hear it well, maybe you don't hear the audio well, maybe the quality is so bad that you cannot transcribe it or you cannot translate it. What you can do, guys, is you can quit. Okay, you can cancel the job or the tasks and go to the other one. Okay, and go to the next one. You can do this and you won't get punished if you do this. Okay, and the third way or the third positive thing is that you get paid weekly and it's not monthly through PayPal. Okay, once you have money, you can get your money through PayPal, and Rev is always in time and dependable. Okay, so you don't have to worry about this. They actually pay, and I already showed you the income proof and in the beginning of this video, like you're seeing here. So this is the income proof of $3, and they don't have any minimum threshold if you want to get your money. Okay, so if you want to join the company, all you have to do is to put your first name, your last name, your email address, and the position that you want to choose. You want to choose transcriptionist or a captioner, and they won't give you here the ability to choose the translation, because translation is for professional, and you as a beginner, you get to choose between captioning and transcription. Okay, so transcription actually is listening to audio and video, okay, and transform that audio or the audio and the audio file or the audio and that video into a written script. Okay, this is actually all you have to do is to translate what you're hearing into text, okay, into a written text. And actually all you have to do is to type it. So if you're a fast typer, maybe you're fast like 40 words per minute, this actually could be for you. So if you have some basic English skills and you can type fast, this could be the best thing for you guys, okay, because it's so easy, it's not that hard. Okay, it's gonna be hard in the beginning, but it's so easy. Or you can do captioning, and by caption that means you can watch videos, accurately type what is being said, and creatively convey sounds and sync what you type and sync the typed audio with the video. Okay, so all you have to do is to sync what you're hearing. Okay, you type what you're hearing and you sync it with the video. You sync what you're typing with the audio and the video. Okay, it's not that hard, it's actually easy. So if you want to choose from one of them, all you have to do is to click on here and click on transcriptionist or captioner. That depends on what you want. Okay, so this is the company, guys, okay, or this is the website. So the first step that you have to do is to check the quick quiz to demonstrate your English language and grammar skills. This is important, okay, and the quiz, it's not so hard. You just have to be careful, don't make those mistakes like not putting the comma, not putting the dashes when it should be done. Okay, you just make sure that you don't do those simple mistakes that will get you denied. Okay, the second thing is that submit a transcription or caption sample which will be reviewed to ensure it meets customer quality expectations. Okay, so they will review the quiz, okay, that you did, and once you did this, they will send you a notification, an email to tell you whether you're accepted or not. Okay, so the third step, guys, if you meet the requirements, you'll be able to register and start earning within 48 hours. Okay, so after getting accepted, you will start earning after the 48 hours. So this is actually how you can do this. But if you have some experience in translation, you can start earning as a translator. Okay, and you can make between $1.50 between $1.50 and $3 per audio or video minute as a translator. And if you want to do this, all you have to do is to click on learn more, okay, and follow the steps. If you already have some set of skills to start translating from English to your mother language, or from your mother language to English, okay, or maybe you know other language like French, you can translate from French to English or from English to French. Okay, so this is actually the website. It's been featured, like I said before, in Forbes, Really Ways to Earn, The Penny Holder, and other websites in other places. Okay, so this is legit company. They will pay you in time, so you don't have to be scared that you will get scammed and that you will waste your time on this website. So all you have to do is to sign up. The sign up process is very easy, so make sure that you confirm that in your email address. Okay, so you confirm this in your email address, because they will send you a confirmation link. A confirmation link to your email. Okay, make sure you do this. And what you have to know, guys, is that this company is legit. Okay, but it is hard to make money on it, so you have to be serious. You have to treat it like a business and not like a hobby. If you treat it like a hobby, you won't make any money, because you will do simple mistakes that will get you fired. Okay, so make sure to read those reviews and Indeed.com. I will leave the link in the description box, so make sure you read that. Okay, don't get influenced by the bad reviews or the good reviews. So what you have to know, guys, is this is legit company. They will pay you. The first 60-minute transcriptioning or video captioning is gonna be so hard, but after that, if you do some good job, you will benefit from the payment or from the increase in the payment rate with 20%. So this is actually amazing. Okay, so make sure you do this. So make sure you read all the reviews here, not all the reviews but most of them, so you will have some good idea about the website. Okay, so this is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and let's see you in the next one.
But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9-to-5 job, to do whatever you want, whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box.